guys, how's it going? This video is not working out as well as I was hoping. Tried a selfie stick with my phone and yeah, definitely not the way to go. But I want to try something new. I wanted to get at least some sort of run video out. Something. Thanksgiving. Don't really have a whole lot of time, so I kind of threw this together for you guys. I'll see what I can come up with for the next video. Setting up my camera to be a little better quality as well. Gonna try out a new editing program. Gonna do Adobe. So we'll see how that goes. But with the truck, I'll just switch the camera here. With the truck, we got some new additions. So this is actually all messed up, but it can go anywhere I want it. I ripped out all this. I tried to put a window back there. It didn't really work out as well as I wanted. So just don't mind that. But I pulled all this out and cut a bunch of the plastic that was out and actually flipped it around and made a bit of a tire mount there. I don't know if I like it, but it works for now. Adds some weight in the back, which is what I need the most. And then I put on I believe what they're called, the name is RC Lion. They're on Amazon. They were like 24 bucks for the full link kit. It's got plastic ends to them, which, I mean, it's what you get most of the time. So I'm not too worried about it. I'll get better ones later on, but, you know, just for a quick upgrade that was going to add a little bit of betterness, is what we're going to call it, to it. It worked out all right, but all metal, they're all alloy links. We'll go with probably cast or something, but then up front, got the steering and then the panhard bar there. It all fits in real nice, no issues. Yeah, but I did keep the plastic servo horn on the truck just because it's a tactic servo. I wanted to have that like breaking point. So we'll go. I have a metal servo horn, but maybe wait until I get a better servo for that. And I kind of screwed up I completely mangled the old receiver box. So what I've gone and done is I bought the Traxxas receiver box, which is 100% fully waterproof. And there's just some super glue there to hold it in. Because I love super glue. It works. It seems to do me no wrong. I could obviously pick something better, but it works not too bad. But yeah, sorry guys, I don't really have a whole bunch. Oh, I got a new receiver. I got a new transmitter. So this is it came with a lot of the AXIALs back in the day. So like the Bomber had it. It's the Tactic. But I like this one because I can drive and film at the same time. So steer and film. But I picked that. It was like 80 bucks on Amazon, Canadian. So the links would be even cheaper on in American. But yeah. And today I'm just doing this video out in the area where I film. So you guys recognize that rock there from some of my videos. Just a whole lot there. The big puddle, which you'll see in the videos, just over there. There's the dog. Yeah, camera shy. She has to stay put, so she's that happy. But anyway, yeah. That's all I got for you guys today. Sorry I don't have much more, but if you stay with me, I'll have more coming. This was just an attempt to see what a selfie stick and my phone would do for some running shots. And I don't really think it did a great job, but we'll see what happens. I've already edited this, but I'm speaking pre-edit, so I'll see what I can come up with. Maybe it'll be half decent for you guys, maybe not. Won't be a very long video, so bear with me. Anyway, guys, happy Thanksgiving if you're in Canada. And yeah, I'm saying a lot. So yeah, happy weekend if you're in Canada. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys in a few days, maybe a week. I don't know. But I'm planning some other projects for the future. I got another one at home that's kind of a go fast project, but it's slightly broken, so I'm going to see what I can come up with. It was really cheap, and it's a red cat. Look them up. It's a red cat piranha. Yeah. I picked it up for literally 40 bucks at a garage sale, so we're going to see what I can make with that and maybe turn it into something cool. If not, just a basher. That's really it. But yeah, so like I said, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you for putting up with my trying new things videos. They will all be back to better quality at some point soon. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.